Welcome to the silent and mysterious world of owls, the guardians of the night. In this video, we're uncovering lesser-known facts about these fascinating creatures.
Owls have been found in every region of the world except Antarctica, though most prefer to stay within the warmer climates of the equator.
Contrary to popular belief, not all owls hoot. Some species, like the snowy owl, screech, whistle, or even hiss. The largest owl in the world, the Blakiston's fish owl, has a wingspan of up to 5.9 feet, slightly less than the distance of an average adult's outstretched arms. Owls can rotate their heads up to 260 degrees, allowing them to have a broad visual field without moving their bodies. An owl's feathers are structured to minimize noise, enabling them to silently approach their prey. This adaptation is key to their hunting strategy. The diet of an owl is not just limited to small mammals. Some species can take down prey twice their size, including other birds and even fish. Interestingly, owls are zygodactyl, meaning they have 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, which aids in grasping their prey and perching. Owls play a significant role in mythology and are often associated with wisdom and prophecy, especially in Greek mythology with the goddess Athena.
The color of an owl's eyes tells a story about its lifestyle. Owls with dark brown eyes are typically nocturnal, while those with lighter colored eyes prefer hunting during the day or twilight.
Some owl species have asymmetrical ears that are not at the same level on their heads. This peculiarity helps them pinpoint the location of sounds and detect prey in the dark.
Owls don't build their own nests. They often take over the abandoned nests of other birds or nest in tree holes, ground burrows, and barn lofts.
The smallest owl species, the elf owl, weighs as little as 500 grams and is no taller than a soda can.
During nesting season, a female owl can lay up to 12 eggs at a time, though the average is closer to 4 or 5. Owls have been known to engage in a behavior known as anting, allowing ants to crawl on them. Scientists believe this could help remove parasites from their feathers.
While owls are proficient hunters, they also fall prey to other large birds of prey, such as eagles and larger owl species. Owls have a powerful digestive system. They regurgitate the indigestible parts of their prey, such as fur and bones, in the form of pellets. The presence of owls is beneficial to ecosystems as they help control rodent and insect populations, contributing to agricultural pest management.
Owls have special blood vessels in their feet to regulate temperature, preventing them from freezing in cold weather or overheating in hot conditions.
The vocal range of owls is impressive, with some species capable of producing sounds heard up to 2 miles away in the right conditions.
Varied species of owls have different lifespans, with some in the wild living up to 20 years, though many face challenges from habitat loss and predation. Owls have been observed using tools. For instance, the burrowing owl can often be seen using dung to bait insects, one of their food sources.
A group of owls is called a parliament, inspired by their wise portrayal in folklore, though seeing a group of owls together is a rare sight. Owl feathers have unique properties that allow for color shifting, helping them blend into their environment and protect against predators. Despite their nocturnal nature, some owls are also active during the day, especially when caring for their young or during periods of food scarcity.
Conservation efforts for owls include habitat preservation, research, and education to mitigate threats from poaching, pollution, and climate change.
In some cultures, owls are seen as bad omens, while in others, they are cherished as symbols of wisdom and protectors of the agricultural fields.
Owls contribute to scientific research, including studies on navigation, sound localization, and the development of silent flight technologies. Unlike most birds, owls can see blue colors. This unique vision helps them hunt in various lighting conditions, even during low light. The love life of owls is quite fascinating. Some species mate for life, showing strong bonds between partners, sharing food and defending territory.
Young owls, or owlets, start to practice flying by hopping and flapping their wings on the ground before taking their first successful flight. The feathers on an owl's face form a disc shape that functions similarly to a satellite dish, channeling sound directly to their ears. Climate change and global warming pose new challenges for owls, altering their habitats and affecting their prey populations and migration patterns.
Some owl species have adapted to urban environments, with larger populations now found in city parks, cemeteries, and even residential areas.
Owls have a varied range of calls used for communication, including territorial claims, mating calls, and signals of distress.
An interesting study found that owls prefer certain types of music, showing a preference for classical over rock.
Owl watching has become a popular hobby, with enthusiasts traveling globally to catch a glimpse of rare and exotic species in their natural habitats.
Finally, owls play a crucial role in our ecosystem's balance, and protecting their habitat helps preserve our planet's biodiversity for future generations.